Okay, so we have today my first ever print of V1.1, which has the beefed up internals, which is a response to this 1.0 I printed with Amazon Basics and torture tested, expecting the drive to snap off, but instead it kinked one of the arms. So the internals needed to be stronger. So today I'm going to show you how to free up a V1.1 print. Raft off. Looks like we might have a little bit of adhesion on this. I need to open this up a little bit more. But what we're going to do is we're going to pop off the spacer. 1, 2. Now what we're going to do is give this a good couple of taps with a hammer or substitute. There. And we're just going to see if that twists. Just like that. So I think it has a stiff spot, but we'll get to it. Might need to shave down a little bit before it spins freely, but it does spin. So we're going to call that a win for now. Next thing you want to do, take your crescent wrench, and you want to make sure that the, there you go, just a little pop. And it won't have a whole lot of range of motion yet, because we still have to take and break loose the V in here. And I think the knife point does a little better for this. So we're just going to kind of go. And sometimes it helps to give it a little twist. If I go counterclockwise, it should give me room to push to the right on the V. If I go clockwise, oh, that felt like it was moving. We are ratcheting. So, oh, that didn't get enough. Basically, the only thing I need to clean up on this one is get it to spin a little more freely, and this one's ready to go. So I'm going to take my knife and clean up some of this first layer stuff. Just kind of cut a little V there. I'm going to put a bevel on this, on the first layer, just, you know, the first couple of 0.5 millimeter or so, just V that out so it doesn't melt on the first layer if you use a raft. Otherwise, this one will be ready to go. So we'll look at what it can take in a torture test shortly. This was a, by the way, for anyone wondering, this was a 5-layer pass on the walls. So this thing should be not quite all the way spiralized. There'll be the tiniest bit of infill between the wall around the pinhole and the wall around the outside.